Hello, good day everyone. Today I want to prove this trigonometric identity. So let's first draw a triangle to see how we can be able to do it without wasted of time. So let's draw a triangle like this. So if it is a right angle triangle, then let's cos this theta. Then say this side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. So what do we know about sine this theta? That is opposite all over hypotenuse. It is supposed to be all over C. Then what is cos this theta? Cos theta is equals to cos theta is equals to adjacent all over what is the hypotenuse, which is C. Then so what do you know in Pythagoras theorem? What we know in Pythagoras theorem is that c squared is equals to, which is hypotenuse squared, is equals to sum of the squared of the other two sides, a squared over b squared. So when you divide through by c, divide through by c squared, so we are going to have c squared all over c squared is equals to b squared all over c squared plus a squared all over c squared. So and this c squared, those there, when you divide them we obtain 1. Then b all over c, you can factor them, then plus a over c, you can also factor it. So and this is b over c is exactly this, and a over c is exactly this. So from this you can say 1 is equals to, then this is b over c is sine theta, then squared plus cos theta also squared. So and this you can be able to rearrange it to be sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So I think this is a very simple proof and you can be able to do it. Thank you.